To all the girls, all the young people that has contacted me through Instagram and asked me, how do they know they want to be a dentist? They saw my passion somehow. In my case, I will tell you what happened. I am a teacher and I love to teach, especially the younger generations that are coming now. In my situation, I like to be, since I was a little girl, a doctor and a teacher. And when I was growing up, I used to go to the dentist and I wasn't having a good experience. So I remember when I was 6 years old, telling the dentist, you know what, I am gonna be a dentist and I will never give pain to my patients. And you're gonna remember that. And from there, I was exploring every single doctor where I was going to visit. But then when I achieving the goal, I would look at the dentist and say, how do you get to be a dentist? I've been doing lectures and presentations to younger generations in the United States and also in Mexico City, where they said, how do you become a dentist? I said, first of all, I wanted to be a dentist and I have a very strict discipline by my parents. However, my dream was to be a dentist. That was my dream, and to be the best that I can be. So I started investigating all the need, the scholarships or anything that you need to get to that point. I knew I had to do elementary school, high school, middle school or the bachelor's degree, that they guide you to choose at very young age in Mexico City to choose the career that you're gonna go. In United States, you have more chance to think because you go to college, and in college you have to choose biology. And in biology, you have to say, okay, do I really like biology? Because biology is one of the sciences that we base our profession. After biology, you have to go and find out how many schools you're gonna apply. But how do you know you really want to be a dentist? Because it's a lot of work. Well, you have to go to, the first thing I did is find out, do I have to learn anatomy through cadavers? Now there's a lot of visual effects. You have a lot of programs where you can learn anatomy. If you like anatomy, you need to check if you like chemistry. But then most of all, you have to be passionate to wanting to help people. And when you want to help people, whether you are a physician, whether you are a dentist, we both are in the healthcare profession, just like nursing, but dentistry, there's a lot of manual work. So it's mostly a lot of mechanical work. So you need to have a good, gifted hands and try to do a sculpture. If you like a sculpture, you like painting, it's gonna be a lot easy for you. It's gonna be a lot easier for you to be a dentist. But if you don't like anything like that, like for me, it was so hard to be able to reproduce a tooth. I am lucky I work with Dr. Frank Villa. He's a prosthodontist and he was gifted with his hands. And he always wanted to be a dentist. But for you that you're not sure, then do this when I'm mentoring a lady. Her name is Daisy. And I love her. She came to my office for a year. Ask your dentist if you can go to his office for a couple of months. Volunteer, observe, put a coat, and look at the dentists how they work. Because there's different types of dentistry. You can be a general dentist. You can be an endodontist and save teeth the way I do it. You can even save people from having a root canal through taking care of the caries that it's a small caries and then you have to take care of it. Or you can be a dental hygiene. In dental hygiene profession, you're gonna be cleaning teeth all your life. If that's what you like, then it's only 2 years after college. But you have to be sure that you love it, that you're passionate, because it's a difficult career. And nowadays, it's getting even more difficult to work. People get loans, it's expensive career. So you have to really be sure that that is your passion through your manual. If you like the combination of the science with your hands, that is the right profession for you. You have to do a lot of reading, but it's normal for every career. I like to have my patients happy. That's what I choose, the specialty of endodontist. I have a great teacher in endodontist. You want to come up to my office, just write, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, write again, and request. Find me out also in Google as Dr. Fanny Yakaman. And you can come to the office and observe how we work. Go to the universities and ask them that you want to see what is dentistry all about. Every university has a way that I can guide you. You Google like UCLA, USC in California, but we have so many other universities in California, San Francisco, etc. It's a career that you have to be passionate to help people. So, if you have any questions, subscribe to the channel, send it to me. I will be very happy to answer all of them, all and one of them. So, call me, subscribe to the channel, and you can find me through Instagram, Dr. Fanny Yakaman. Take care.